Yeah. Have you got a euro? I just need a euro for the business. Please. You can't do this to me. Yeah. I almost I think the act is gonna stop. Ma we got a euro to put into the machine. I didn't even want the euro.